Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you about LG 581 liter frost-free side-by-side refrigerator. It is Platinum Silver 3. This frost-free refrigerator has some deadly uses, some good features, some good uses it has offering to his customers. So I'm going to tell you 6 unusual uses of LG 581 frost-free side-by-side refrigerator. So some amazing features this refrigerator is offering. Now I'm going to start by telling these features. So first thing is that it has moist balance crisper, LED display, express freezing, multi airflow, twist ice tray, inverter liner compressor, 10 years on the compressor from LG, 10 years warranty on the compressor from LG. This fridge is 581 liters, it's pretty big. It has huge space inside. As you can see, this fridge has huge space inside. Now, this frost-free double-door refrigerator has 3 tempered glass shelves in the refrigerator section and 4 tempered glass shelves in the freezer section to accommodate your vessels. This refrigerator features a powerful liner inverter compressor that keeps food at its freshest. This compressor reduces the consumption of energy, which results in the saving of up to 32%. It also decreases in noise level up to 25%. This fridge comes with a special latticed type fruit vegetable box cover that controls the moisturizer level so that your fruits and vegetables retain their natural freshness. It has digital multi-sensor. These digital multi-sensor respond to open door or warm food instantly. This helps maintain the desirable interior temperature. It has multi-airflow function which achieve even and constant cooling throughout the refrigerator with the multi-airflow cooling technology. Cool air flows throughout the multiple outlets located all over the fridge, which helps food item remain fresh. As you can see, it multi-air flow technology keeps your food fresh. It has LED display. You can quickly view the setting without having to open the refrigerator. Without having opened the refrigerator, to quickly cool the item inside the fridge, simply activate the express freezing. That features This features automatically turns off once the fixed time lapses. Twist ice tray. With the triple twist ice tray, You will always have enough ice to serve chilled drink to your guests during summer. It has 1 year product warranty and 10 years compressor warranty. It has it has three number of refrigerator shelves, four door bins, two drawers. It has interior light, door alarm. It comes with a door alarm, and child lock facility is also available. So if you want to know more information about this product, then you can copy the link on the video and paste it to your browser, and you can get all the information you needed, or you can click the link in my YouTube description. Thank you for listening.